Happy holidays from the New Mexico Museum of Art. We'll miss seeing you this year at our holiday open house, but we made this video for you to make a paper puppet at home. The supplies you will need include printouts, which are available on our website on how to make a paper puppet. You'll need scissors, tape, or glue stick, colored pencils or markers, or both, brads if you have them. If not, you can use twist ties or cut up pieces of pipe cleaner. And this is how you make a puppet. So now I have all my pieces colored and cut out. Now what you want to do is you'll take a sharp pen and poke holes where the dots are, near letters. C, D, B, C, D. Now, if you have brads, that's great. If not, you can use twist ties or pipe cleaners. And what you want to do is match the letters up. So C and C go with C. B goes with B. Now if you don't have brads, that's okay. You can use twist ties or pipe cleaners. You want to double it up. Letter D with letter D. Through D. Now for the tail and the bow, you could use another brad or pipe cleaner to poke it through, or you can just use tape. A small piece of tape on the back of the tail and like that. And the same for the bow. And now you have your own paper puppet. It moves, it can run, and it's a horse, of course.